What if I told you in 2026, people with zero coding skills are building AI side hustles that make anywhere from $100 to $500 per day? No degree, no startup funding, no tech background, just AI tools and simple systems. And the crazy part? Most people are still wasting time scrolling, while a small group is quietly building AI income streams that look almost unfair. In this video, I'll show you 5 real AI side hustles you can start in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. And stick till the end, because the last one is the easiest to start, but most people overlook it. The job market is changing fast. AI is replacing repetitive work, but here's what most people don't realize. AI is not just taking jobs. It's also creating new income opportunities. The difference between people who struggle and people who win in 2026 will be simple. Who uses AI as a tool versus who ignores it. So, let's break down the 5 side hustles.
Side hustle number 1. AI content creation agency.
This is one of the fastest growing AI income models. You help businesses create content using AI tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and video tools. But you don't just make content. You build a content system for them. What you actually do: create Instagram Reels, write captions, generate video scripts, turn blogs into short-form videos. Who pays for this? Small businesses, coaches, real estate agents, local shops, YouTubers. Tools you use: ChatGPT for scripts, CapCut for editing, AI voice tools, Canva for designs. Why this works? Businesses are desperate for content, but they don't have time. So instead of hiring full teams, they pay AI-powered creators. Income potential: beginner, $500 to $1,500 per month per client. Intermediate, $3,000 to $10,000 per month agency.
Side hustle number 2. AI Automation Freelancer.
This one is more technical but still beginner-friendly. You help businesses automate boring tasks using AI. Example automations: auto-reply emails, customer support chatbots, lead collection systems, appointment booking systems. Tools are Zapier or Make.com, ChatGPT API, Notion AI, Google Sheets automation. Real-world example: a local gym gets 100 inquiries a day. Instead of replying manually, you build an AI system that replies instantly, books appointment, sends reminders. Now the gym saves hours every day, and they'll happily pay for that. Income potential: $50 to $150 per automation setup, $1,000 to $5,000 monthly retainer clients. You are not selling AI. You are selling time savings and efficiency.
Side hustle number 3. AI YouTube channels, no face.
This is one of the most popular AI side hustles in 2026. You build YouTube channels without showing your face. Content types: AI explainer videos, motivational videos, finance breakdowns, storytelling videos, kids content. AI helps you write scripts, Tools like ChatGPT can be utilized. Generate voiceovers with AI voice. Create visuals with Runway, Pika, etc. Edit automatically. Example workflow. Ask AI for script. Generate voiceover. Create visuals. Edit in CapCut. Upload. That's it. Why this works? YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. Even 10 to 20 videos can start generating income. Monetization. Monetization. Ad revenue. Affiliate marketing. Sponsorships. Income potential. $100 to $10,000 plus per month, depending on scale. Reality check. Most people quit before video number 10. The winners reach video number 100.
Side hustle number 4. AI digital products.
This is one of the most passive income-friendly AI side hustles. You create digital products using AI once and sell them forever. Examples are resume templates, study guides, business planners, AI prompt packs, social media kits. Tools can be used are ChatGPT for content creation, Canva for design, Etsy or Gumroad for selling. Real-world example: 100 AI prompts for students, Resume Builder Pack for job seekers. Then upload it once. People buy it while you sleep. Income potential: $5 to $50 per product. $500 to $5,000 per month passive income. You don't need 100 products. Even 3 to 5 good ones can work.
Side hustle number 5. AI Faceless client flipping.
This is the most underrated one. You act as a middleman using AI. Here's how it works. Find clients who need work, like logos, videos, content. Use AI tools to create it cheaply or quickly. Deliver it at a higher price. Fiverr client pays $50 for logo. You use AI tool to create it in 10 minutes. You deliver and keep profit. Tools used are Midjourney or Image AI, ChatGPT, Fiverr or Upwork or Instagram outreach. Why this works? Speed plus AI equals profit advantage. You can deliver faster than traditional freelancers. Income potential: $200 to $2,000 per month part-time. $5,000 plus scalable. You're not replacing freelancers. You are becoming a faster freelancer powered by AI. So, here's the reality of 2026. AI is not optional anymore. It's either. You use AI to build income, or you compete with people who do. If you're serious, start with just one of these. Content agency, YouTube channel, digital products. Don't try all 5. Pick one, master it. And remember, the people making $500 per day with AI today, they weren't smarter. They just started earlier.